He's also a member of parliament now. And then other people are no mukahu. Now that time Mami Aslowusu and an minister for communications. Now media house in Bebre a bensi asamayana ne kai umude. Because
Sompa FM.
ye tumi a ye de operating na our National Communication Authority. But no cross some woman say every minister is not above the people. We are here to deliver our mandate. The yene the enye bia yabeka no matter what. Now in that said video, some judge muka so munya registration no, SIM card registration they are not going to do. But actually no munya na fa wan kwa register. That's the hypocrisy of politicians. Those people in the video busa on say almost same chrome no. Oman register na. All of them are registered Muslim no. But in that sad video, now we catch a Ghana for some year register because we must register. And from day one, SIM card registration shares here under MPP. Under some George and some couple of people, the dia now me from pa. A dia no me from your stubborn academy. No me say omun register. Because say almost a process na ekoso for whatever reason best known to them. And so say we no man for one akwa registration. Okay. As if that is not enough. They campaign mu didn't come chastise that time as low so no that time no so or a minister o kan hwe kire na onti. Sata ma me as low so or a minister o kan bibia kire na no onu zo ontie. Ono so stubborn sa homa so sa na as low so di efiri so oni aban ni nyina efiri so. One of the stubborn ministers, so MPP I had a personal encounter with them on phone, so I know what I'm talking about. Even during their times, there no more opposition, you know. I mean, I judge people by their work, not only their character. But any public, you know, of course, directly or indirectly, their work, their character will have influence on their work. Minister of Communication, hono. Stubborn and arrogant people, I don't know why. Jania hand tiny go for omunti futu.
Sompa FM.
At least during MPP, the recent MPP and the current NDC. Jania humaso. On the telcos for ni bidin koma. During my early days as a young man, I had the privilege to work with one of the biggest telcos on some contracts and other things. So sometimes only bimudin komwa. These are people who are technical people. Technical people. They are not politicians. They are technical people. Almost that is what they do for life. And some of them will confide in you and tell you, say, Satan, you may be or not as low so yeah. Kenyans here bedri the edri. And some also will confide in you currently and tell you, say, and yama air in this current dispensation. Ministry of Communication, Sam George Adan. There is no assurance, according to them. Forward is kakra. There is no assurance, according to them. Telcos say. And publicly, the lady who's in charge of telcos said, say, it is not a guarantee. Says, send money, become. It's not a guarantee. Says, fraudulent act, notice I'm just Ghana for you board check dinner because we want the best. You're saying you're the best son. Sister New London Bekoso. The only thing that ye bit my and say. Ye bit my and say you can easily identify the person. But listening to some judge yesterday, I was worried. Because not only say Sister New Land in income, but what we can do is that we will red flag the sim. The koso we will red flag the person's Ghana card. That is what he's saying according to some judge. So apart from red flagging them, I didn't be na because they're a criminal. Red flag alone is not enough. A criminal, I say obi be
Sompa FM.
It's criminal. I just civil. It's criminal. So red flag alone is not enough. And to me, if it's about red flag, there. And another question pie woman say the other telcos ni bi catch him say and never be a hard ma and who ya say be procurement for company for but ye betimi aye niam ye ho ye betima se san yoma bebre ho a ebe ye. So I ask myself, say, what is the essence of giving the whole thing to another contractor with new billings, with new charges, whilst we are suffering to get money as a nation? Sir, at the end of the day, say issue so much. Anyone who comes better it. Sir, there are instances of so many institutions, sir. Abia previous government to hold no. But the new face by there no more I am na ye. That is how we do it. It in your baby or wha. Yenyi ahomaso ni dwane yakane de no an ye pese institute ni free mu. Yaka say ye ba say ne be nye betwam no ye betwam. Our ego shouldn't come into SOEs. Our ego when it comes to a government institution, about ministries, your ego no shouldn't work. There's one thing doing campaign. There's another thing when it comes to reality and fixing things. They are two different things that we have to set the dichotomy well. Because if some judge tells me, say, he hopes, so we should believe in hopes. You're moving from hope alone. We are in a dispensation that people believe in data, facts, and figures. And what is the data saying? What are facts saying? It's not about religion and hopes. This second coming of Ghana SIM card registration, it's not hope that we want to hear. We want to see what the data is saying. The assurances that we can get. Though every system cannot operate 100%, but there should be a certain modicum that we operate from. There should be certain kind of assurance for us, not hopes. Not hopes. Because us also gave us hopes. Hopes never been near the. And today we are still talking about hope. Hope alone is not enough, Minister. Honorable Sam George, hope alone is not enough. We are talking about taxpayers' money. We are talking about a data-driven project that we want to do. What is the data saying? What are facts on grounds? That is what we want to say. We want to hear. Especially coming from a ministry that is so much involved in innovation, communication, and technology. We cannot depend on hopes. We want facts, we want data, we want figures. That is what we want. Because you receive hope, baby, or the hopes are not helping us. So if you come and tell me, say, the contract with this quantum, this huge amount of money, now all that we can hear from a minister is, you hope that will be the last thing. Hopes in the Oslo Usuma. Hopes, you have been receiving hopes on so many instances, and the hopes are not helping us. We want data-driven, projects. We want things that are factual, things that reality say, this is how it is. Not hopes. Not hopes, honorable. The stress and trauma that people go through, the humiliation, sometimes tell Kosini be crowd the ma yen, a registration. Shutting the baby down some kwara because any panukwa register the SIM card or be free ya me twa be line so a edun so ani apam set time now so ye pon to call. E be have to sleep in stations. E also be that kejeti e be that other emromne other areas. Ade che omatman kwa koyo registration. That is what we are talking about. That is what we are talking about. That is what we want to, we are talking about. And Kofo Jojo, Kofo ma minimum papa say omo yankora. So omo yan nothing. All because of the umba SIM card registration. And upon all this sweat, upon all this mess, we have to depend on some George hope. Is that what we are saying? Please. We have to be serious as a nation. And this same hope are woken. From the telcos, they are saying, say, these hopes, and they cannot give assurance, say, sister, New London, no, to be trapped. There's no assurance to Nyoma a person preventive. And we are come to spend this huge money. And to system now, with new ideas and, this year, BBA afresh. Is that what we are saying? We can't update it. We can't upgrade it. We can't do anything. A total zero. We are bringing the whole system down to zero and do new thing. Sana kwablem in Takando by Ministry of Health. The same thing happened. And Edrube, no hospital. The system cannot operate because there are new contractor the things there no. Our land, our India say. Be operating yen data no for us. Why? Why? Should you do politics with everything? Why? And if this hope does not work, say hope yan hope ya. There will be another government and also have a cancer and they will also depend on hope and ask us to do another procurement, another data collection in entirety. Why? Ghanaians are they're born in here to sweat some yanim fifre, your theater scoff out tax. Then we give money
Sompa
to
FM.
people who we think say they are able and they are capable to manage our affairs, and these same people chop the money and come back and look for another thing. And I pay about 8. Me catch them say any FD4. I won't come out ebedie. And we go how ni saying so. As said, ya in the piano region in ya pick course from region. And we have FD ya no bedin come when it's 8. Na ma memo penina basu say. Time they have been here. May I love people who are time conscious, and they are here. Ya no bedin come. They are ready to serve. They are ready to serve us. Service no wakume mua. You can operate from that. Though sometimes I disagree with some of the modus of operandi Juma, and yet specifically Ashanti region. But this time round, they are here with talk. Kwame Nkwantabisa matching.
Already, me also.
Important to say.
Obadi adaroma Ade Akye me ho ye me ba so na nso
Obadi adom me ho ye pa.
Okay, here that chili ampo nyankopo.
I don't pay rum kakra ma we have few minutes
Mati quickly nti Kwame ma me ndase anopa yi na fi me na ya tifo ahwefo so ase se omo tune in na omo ehwe yen etie yen anopa yi. And Kwame, from the spirit to my soul, until my voice and my heart re-echoes, I would say Chidi Amponyankopo is worthy of my worship and my praise. Kwame, sa SIM card re-registration you hon sensemi ya ashasi ya ebano. Oman yimo kamia ye se nipa bia nya akwanya no ko occupy position bia. Opeso ode ne pe edi tu anamon. Opeso ode ne pe eye nea oman ni nyina e wose benefit from. Either say ne pe no enam ne kwan mu ana say enni ne kwan mu. Opese eno didi djuma. Na Kwame me te sa sim re-registration ya na me yese ma men dig deeper kakrampe eye eniema ba kumienu bi enti ase na me ko hu letter on the 13th of September 2021 a free national identification authority asoya Professor Atefua Nensashase on the 13th of September 2021. Now, afe na sa sim registration yin komo ebobo eba shase eba. Na Kwame, me ko read through sa letter no ya eba bontin on the 13th of September 2021 no. Dia me tiase na me hunu ya na me ka kire me ho ane se enu nti na enne ya ba be duru ba bia ya duri. The reason tia enne ye wo ba bia ye wo yi e brain ho enka ye benya daje wuremu kakra ne display no on camera no so ne akenkan ne ma ba kumienu ama ya tiase empenifo ahodo bi edi ye mboni di abro ye memo ha sa sim registration in the first country America say o shase e Germany 2003 and o shase Kwame besi ne ye ntin komo bia free Germany say o san e be ye re-registration of SIM card. Kwan ben o mo fa so ye ya o mo ye ni ye ya enunti yen kwa de 2021 2023 ye 2021 say 2023 and then 2026 ye see ye sign e ba be ye re-registration of SIM cards. Aden ya ye nye research ya ye nye backgrounds research kakra ya ye mfa niema ngugu akwa mu hunu se anamon ye na ye tu no eye ana enye. Na Kwame me kan na makan ko ti say ni nyina shase the free Ghana card registration so because na ye Ghana card registration no obi Ghana card ekuta no information e woso no enye information anka wose eguso ni nyina ne se wanye ntem wampre wantue sika onya Ghana card enu nti otue sika no ne nasefo no enye ma wose ye nya wo Ghana card no so no onya obi nso ho ti hoyi oni Ghana card because e woso koko tua sika nsana wa kwai Ghana card woni se sika nimti no so opese o use SIM card this we use ni nua ne bra na damfo obi de I don't get left fraudsters. I take advantage of some of these things because system no more I am because a year registration no emre bi ni wa a techre bibie ni wa a restricting nioma na extra clear cut say win at yenti no there be it ye nessa we mistake na ya wrong transaction asamato pass telcos no kura betumi identify baby scan no koduru ye kura e yo modern I wish we have enough time to enter Sanyamayi na NIA for Katom de Babon 13th of September no because that time no na NIA cry catch telcos no and komo mu di say ombetumi guarantee omo niema ba kumienu bi amana jiro omo na so I sorry no they can't promise them, they can't guarantee them. Like how ye di ho abo wo mam ha wo ye di ho abro e wo mam ha papa 2021 2023 enne yes kwa registration. Look at the queues are here by form. Look at bra here by bre. Look at we are boy. Look at tietia ye betietia ye mfefo enan so. Look at the atemu e bi beji. Look at animtia e bi di bema e binom so mu kopi hotel course yin so o ma so yes wo kwa register sim card. It's not fine. It's not fair. And why ye ho say and anamo ye two as a country no ye two anamo se benya so mfaso ochina nemom ye two anamo bia ye two anamo no say chacha ye two anamo no say kakra be kwa ko wuro bi botom ye two anamo say obi benya cat bi wo baby eno ti de bia questions e wa anamo ye two no ho de bia questions e wa anamo ye two no ye ntu anamo a ye be kasa anamo no gina ne nan so da ye be kasa sa anamo no de ye nya so mfaso sa be ye decades da the two anamo bia is subject to scrutiny, subject to questions sa Kwame this country sometimes what was now say is it worth dying for? Is the country worth dying for? Kwame, what do you?
I mean, I sit now no pay. Every 4 bets I no pay na yendomo adidi enkomo and so ewo. There are a lot of things FDA4
Sompa FM
investigations. There are a lot of things FDA4 eguso investigation. Yera Natania Nana Kwabena Nkrumah. And Ashanti Regional Director and our head, Emma Food and Drugs Authority, the indefatigable head, and pay or no, are joining us in the studios. You can join us on TV via our social media platforms as well. Now, and pay yen komo yen yen sometimes and near my wild bonting I am myth. Near Manswa, a fact. Then you know or ha. Say obebi bi ni nyinam na waye ni nyina fine and so Ade amine eti o message no questions no ebefa via a text message and WhatsApp 0509 438 500 0509 438 500 sa and so ana oko Facebooka Sompa 93.1 comment section no odi go honuma na anopay yeah so yanwedi come na anopay match
Bra Kwame. It is say.
And no bad ya don ya busia no to say.
Na me adom yenso ye ho ye. Nti we de ma me fa akonya fa adesere. E ma wo ni wetie for say Monday no me ntimi amba. Ne ma bobo so kakra fa cha me. Nti na de me say.
Monday be jato we chi o. Me tie fo dwa opa.
Oh, omo fa cha me.
De course ndi na me su momo anti.
Omo fa cha me na bia me kodi e na ama ade na yeden kakra sen ka metimi aba. Nti na de me say de be si bia no. Baba modern aba na ma be abaye adwuma no so de sisi. Nti omo fa cha me.
All right, Nana, for the purpose of education, Food and Drugs Authority, can I know your board? This is my authority. Mojuma pa ne den mo mandate under the actor at the mobile say.
Yo me da say Kwame, yeah, adwuma na yedi no e fa be Public Health Act into Act 851 2012 na Parliament MIS had 2 minutes fa adwuma. Na the di titia ne food and drugs into no adwuma bia ade bia fa drugs me can drugs na and am paper ne nkofo nim say abaye for de no nko a but to hear law na define drugs say ade bia ye de sayare ye de boyare ho ban ye de fifi yare mu nti wa yare na hospital ye so yare test and na de ye fe no household chemical nti interfere how adwen sa crawling animals no and man na ye de kunkum na FDA so na ehwe and na ye free hon so a ye fe bibi food ne de obi anim aduane ade bia fe aduane ho bia na che say FDA and nyame oman na my to me say yentimi mfanye adwuma ebio me fe bi clinical trial nti na opesa wo ye nhwemu wo eno ni ye ya de fi mmoa na de aba ni pam nti posa sa na mani na FDA and I said mouse I to me krata nti na the tofa kakra
Sompa FM.
Okay, and someone am in charge of aduane ni enrua a crime best so near fast process and san obia gaze metimi ton medro metimi de babontin aduane ayedi metimi de babontin
yo me da say depend ti say wo ye enuane a ye wo kwan ya do be fast so wo ye enro so a ye wo kwan ya de fast but ni nya entemfo ne say Upasa wo ye unya tumi krata wo man mu a beebi a wo ye aduane no ye wo neme bi a esese udi so nhyehyɛ bi a ye frɛ no good manufacturing practices ntino sɛ nipa na wo ho no beebi a ye no ɛhote sɛ nimdi a omo ye no wo na nkrata sem omo medical records neme bebre ni ehwe ufi ho na ba adekona nkasankasa na wo de o ye na de abre ama ya to no enti and also if any registration of your product enti no oba apply your business certificate your documents there na ye den yahwe enti no itia wa mu kakra no
enti sɛ obi ntimi ntina ba bi sɛ aduane sɛ ye local food sɛ ye chop bar whatever it is no obi ntimi ntina ba bi meka sɛ ma sorry me kwa akoton aduane
Debi wesa na watomra the manager ne sɛ opasa o ye de wo kana sɛ wonya tumi fi FDA ho enti no mpempi no me hu sɛ ade ba ko a asɛ eya to chima hakra wa santima mu ne nkofo bebe na anim enti no wahwa me ba ye ma ye a lot of public education pa na me kan so sɛ santima for aboa bebe na atia omo de opepa eba ma omo ye omo registration enti no bia no sa to me no nitia ne sɛ opasa o ton ade opasa o ton no aduane bibia ma boso ya bomodin na ma FDA ma otumi nyesa wa nyi tumi katana ya bana be hu a emra ne obedi so ne emra sitia.
Currently, there are challenges now moving as an entity, especially in your region.
Well, me can say kind of na say omonim. You know, I think the education part should me na me nya be den ya me di hu djuma every almost busu tan otu bi am radio station. Ebi omo so asa ebi ma ya aso den kakra. Ni ma na bi ton no wo ka so omo no kra mo ntimi mfa. Adentia, ko mo nso nim say adom ya na nya. And you know, one issue about say people are flouting the law, but omuntie na supreme. Say I'm renetwem. Minyante ye ba ya na mpempe adwuma no ye wi a ye ntenkoda ye ba around be ye ebi wo ha sampling. Ye be fefa ne ma na ye ma hu tumi ne bi won so ye fa ne mebi wo bedwa so a ye ma tumi ya ne akotest. Yeah. Ebiom wa obesa ne ma no so no ye ba na uni FDA tumi a memra no be di se ne sitia. Na emra no ni udi a Nana, my main fan twice a precon, say, your options in answer. Wow, to me that I am a wako sema FDA any motion, never difference him. Near we are fine.
Sompa FM.
So, Utenya ye na your hair at the corner wire na a man out on a more dinner, and your friend risk near higher, a bit mid work of court na court and so a boy, yeah, near a child bear 15 to 25 years spare.
Offenders. Yet me prosecute mu jail.
It me jail in so correct a court final was all you're guilty and 15 to 25 years there. Over them. And Tina Hakra, our honor.
And he since Ora sa institution mu. How do you afford you be atumuda?
Oh yes.
Really?
Yeah, you don't want to but I am publish it. Until last and for come baby say one thing as I say me money more name and shame our region so. Mechanical crab be na edim raso e bi nso so imagine say we dan ya o beto mraso enti the man say sankofo no afi we de me saka wa me nye to the first na ya say yen kasa wa obedwem no be ma obi ehun say de wo ya na nye enti be ya o munyan say o meto wa de na e be ma I deterrent ama omo a omo imagine say omo comply na be jan
our monthing say food and drugs for motena ho ye hwe han Emma products in the bab one thing never be someone. Ama catcher ye bias in a say ye may now. Of course, I also got tired money down. But as a mood take it that to ride or we are riding on data as a mojuman case was a money.
Well, Obi cancer Kwame Nkwantabisa main forte no. But in the crowd woman say ye will cry about 33 million. Ye will border post. Ye benya nanka ade bia o Ghana ewo ye man mu no ne ade anka FDA ajatum na mmom mpempi no me na nkofo de kotikwa afam no de wura omanyim de na de bia meka ne se ukoba bia wa wiasa fene nyina once wa benya issues of non compliance na de ne hia ne hawa regulatory authority be react enti nyesa ye sheda se obi mfan rem menya nanka ye wo ba bia wo asantemem but enye possible Intina na mpempi ye share etiefo ne etemumfo ne se wo ye bibi na wa oni wo ne batio in fact omo am dis money na na wan etio na hu se sabe Kwame ya ade bi na hwe na enye but wa hwe ne han unim sad ya nipa ne ye na enye nka year sutre ana ye police for sutre na nka yen den yentimi ndi adwuma as yeti but I na pempino ye twan ya ma ade ni di enya na afa ye befre sabe FDA ye befre police ye benya na nka I mean I wish to senka ye wo ba bia betimi ahwe ba bia but ye ntimi ntina ya na de bia me stress omunya na omukwa hwena mu ntimi a na kwa me mo wo ho omo de mamu journalist omo be refer my na nka yen so ye den ya to no ma eno nkyere se ye nya adwuma ye ye call bedwa so pa but on say greater Kumasi kwa ye 5 million and a soon until any 43 districts until pempi no all over the world regulatory authorities are successful na ye citizens no so me I want to empower the citizens but say me share ye intimi for no any nimdie na one to omunya markets of course until one arm they say ye educate your citizens no na intimi for no who say oh ade we dey me who pe minim say FDA for can say me say oh product no say any may be a mamento yes business will not be nice for them. They will stop at one end. The other end who says it's about how swift as a regulator to me a move in there then yeboa na as a sentiment Ghana mine you better idea be a draw you better no draw you better so not him say FDA in such as say na akra no.
Okay, so when it comes to market surveillance and then am here some a very effective
me da say anti-market surveillance ye wo mu yatichem ebi o how for example ya move e bon say any assemblies na ejuma especially the health officers no people ha na so mo call around especially food from food vendors no na ye wo hygiene permit and komunya but no kwen say bebe na ni bi ebi wo ebi nso ni ebi ani ne say me kan na ebu ha na onim obu asa onim ba na asa onye enti no omo ya na ma inform ye na ya so take action nso omo no ya na mo come ye nso ye wo ba bia and na nduma na ya fa bi risk assessment menya nanka adi bia ye die ye nom nanka ye die chire but number na mo ye in terms of your staff strength it ye ne say ye ne assemblies na ebu ha ye ne police for edi djuma nti wo ha wona police for na ma no ma ye no ma chew ye so bia wo FDA register so money na omni abrain basically that's how we do our markets and ye trending until last year you say particular product we has a some the doors now we hear other ones they as o materials mo comply it only makes sense say over target o mo as a o mo ye problematic why then you keep on educating so one arm is educating one arm so your enforcement so because that is the strategy that to be and this year we be a lot of surveillance on certain types of products like I said you who say nkofu bi o has o ma imagine so o mo ni mra no ayaka and I will tell them.
Is it because punishment in enough from entina still na say obu action in there ya born koko ya fan still obeba no you the same thing
punishment in the deterrent na kra wo ni say kofu be name type of punishment every emra to me na ye wo no to make a imprisonment man can fine asem
okay
now you say otu man say fine wa minimum 25,000 Ghana and if I say na kwa me why import product bi you register who distribute ama nkofo a importation a you need to mean one who distribute another and me kabo ma 50,000 Ghana cedis minimum and na me kan no say dan say issue bi see a obi qualify draw bi a am say apparently no or tamper with information kakra nyame ncha the health providers they are smart into man fight draw na work patient but in this case come the patient be to na I don't know say a criminal act in fact the why na criminal but then the risk is higher then we escalate it further to prosecution.
There's a backlash, sir. Mobema licenses for a company, but said you name a typical black man, and I say nipa, me menye nipa bese. Mama nipa licenses have but monitoring very poor. Okay. And your money panel licenses, your jatum said this product has been certified by FDA. Yeah. Or their bag, you say the first one sample not the bag, right, emitting standards and everything. But bedroom baby, the nipa pesket enough standards no. What tone JJ, but money because mama FDA, you know, home where you never born went now once.
Nana Kwame that's it. The Obeka Biano, as I think I know almost comment but it's about visibility and enforcement. And maybe I want to see 50 November. Almost every day, either I'm on one radio station or the other, because who say yane yetemu for no emuwa in terms of the my so mu and yane industry for no mu hakra. You know the issue is to bridge. Say me can on me hu ne e so mo ye say like okay businessman on your number na they can no e na say we fit but omo kan letter na dem omo year lot of responsibility e wo so Didia na ye say see hu say na me kan say na ye kwa e ko sample products on the market na ya bebre o ebu ha wa ye say record products bi
yeah
because ye hu say too na dem ma wo no akokosesa na wo sesa e na bebe na ni me fa bi variation that's the amount too ya wo sesa o ma ya sonte section 119 of the public health act ka say wo sesa de na o ma ya to anti a e be no le file registration enti no emra no ade ye but the mechanism say as a yes see my say publish
yeah
sankof no mo dis answer mo e ade a say me guzo asante region ko ade and omo channel so say afi we de wa be din samone no mebo odin a na me dem ma radio stations no ne ya ma wa bi ehun say odin samone na sabe o de kotikwa so say ene ma na ede ma o na ya hwem no o de di yenya nti abo ayi minia de ho do no na yehu a ye sample meka bi a chew ebo ha ye kwa yehu an say ba ku bi a ye kwa hu ye na eye abibidro ha ma ne tumi so mfanya adwuma ana yehu say ye sample hu say o de abrofo no ba ko nkono na afra so o de ba ko kra afra ye offense in fact o de anything fra ye ni ma ye offense but we ba ko nkono na afra as we speak now the factory they closing down and I record money, your money, if be record, to be in every bidra so. Nah, what judge you may?
It is believed, says, me de unchroma bitters in a buy. Now more recall, yeah. Then my changing, now my babayano, Kwame bitters. The same company, the same owners, but mobile register man.
Once I'm not quite no, so I recall it, but I just as a company name. Okay. It's a product that you've recorded, and some terrible so I am factory and you're compliant. You know, so to me, I saw you and you guys on license. And you know, we are supervised, say, Emma, yes, somewhere. Now, Nico San Pacono, it about to be high risk. You know, say, now come here, now come bitters, I'm a young bitters. Na kwame enya and on to mrebia over a period that you don't to effect below risk.
Okay.
Nti wa when someone no endorse you to high risk. Nti no woman into near more than me dia no. Nti bi to say na kwame dia ya wakodin someone ya wetimi bia say friend no Sompa meters no. You to high risk. Nti wo no the number of substances be wo so near more than obi a dimraso. And that is how normally regulatory authorities here ejuma. Nti nyesa because say we do bonne back dan no o kan say no nti wa ban no eh to me now the man on na why they waji but oba back na why dey so ya it say wa ko professor wa forge documents ya ban no for 10 no say ko am few o me few e say wa ko driving license na onya accident and as be senior license from them e no say untimi go back and go training e ma on sand license ha na na
but with your staff strength you say one of the difficulties are monyapa with herbal drugs.
Yeah.
And then with the experience that you've had over the years in your line of duty, then pan a challenge. Say ba e withdraw for ni mo dwuma yi.
So me that say, on say been so ye friend abako sem bi. So herbal for no. We na o se waso na ye the man sunsun nti unyo ma fit da ye sunsun ne manaba science no. Mpempi na challenge aka ho. But make I say you make a lot of strides. Okay. You started herbal regulation some 20 something years ago. You quite normal the mad DH. Because say on my document about here say na de sunsun heading. I find some money now on yet. But say no, I'm in charge there. Maybe now I comply. In fact, as I speak now, it's a need me one station. It's like I'm here training one of the associations I'm here about just to say I'll met say you wanna say and I'll make actual and I think some of the media will be there. How boa money to any nim dear no and baby now say sabe omo go school and you know dear share how even to communicate to them unsa professor na na to be adoso na me campus say be ya me pensenka afi be afi nefa e be me madu be bia because for the first time in the history of Ghana obi aye herbal product when you approval or they tree any English label. Said by ya nkofuna airto no Let me can na
my brofo grant me a tree na make.
Oh baby na say yen temo for baby na tree tree.
They can na go for dim.
Oh in Toronto we ho na we brofo ni tree. Nti one part of the label be brofo. Na kan part I tree. Nti
ade can we a bit much.
Nti no matter say obi aye bi with medical device be on the brofo ni tree and I labeling and it's fantastic. And I think say it made you say na me catch am so metini am sa thinking hu ye. Dan ka ye nya bi. Nti dia across the country there almost 4 languages are very prominent. I be tree, fante, and I be a casafo. I mean, it's not be a bad idea. Mem wanna compliance don't get the encourage because obi or take sabi a classic baby our back can be now say labeling or get batch number on medical. Jabama compliance I think. And now I'm a woman. I brochure baby the entire brochure inside. I'm not for I'm temple.
Yeah.
Almost ready a course.
Papa.
By Hano, I say. You build this, you need to our people. And idea, we should try and encourage because I have one. Now, it's many, sir, in Indiana, my boy, my inclusive. That's I said for now, and I had some school. You can have a bedding.
Money baby drove for meeting. I think I had the privilege to attend one. Now, in fact, it was interesting. I drew time now. Almost it was a question. I realized we need more education. Exactly. Yeah, but your team did well. My memory way. Before that, my banning a company from producing before. Total ban.
Baby, I say your banning is a man produce a particular product.
Okay.
And as I speak now, all your for senior factory, I relocate it.
Okay. There is this product. Mami chumra the Angofobis in Buzibuzo. I'm saying Mobenya sa product na say one ba sempa minim say known to you. Okay. Year a good rubber white man say.
Sudika
Sudika as old man na awura akoma ho. So me hye wakoma. Sa issue na den what is it about?
And you know, in fact, that I'm afraid, but not in security for being an engagement member on the same issue.
Sompa FM.
Now,
say any.
Okay. Now, the mess first and foremost, say, I did be a label, Cratabian farm ornamental.
Okay.
And then the first time I catch them. And I crack tracker from why you maybe I had then you show Cratano. A sunny panel, and the company dean was on an address also. The Yamika see a pan says every registration number was. And this one may have incremental. My sense should be because the Yami pa. Oh, to a draw a bibia, come higher, yes, and to memory, and I say every registration number more, Mr. Mentor. Or sure, every registration number manufacturer. Okay. A letter, I won't say a letterhead, no, that's so come on. Near chop big also say or registration number so and so. Only be a mentor. Number 2, label no maybe also. Ebine in pakona manufacturing address. Ebine ne contact details. Ebine adekona offer no. Eso ho adekwa ewo mu. The final composition.
Yeah.
And ingredients. Meaning a bottle ya o dey tell me. Hwini so.
Yeah, hwini
ho.
Hwini.
Unfortunately, in terms of money be still a toy.
Serious.
Ho. The tosun biom so ne say, the owu ho no. National security for PK no. So mo dey call tech fire my baso. Every day national authority abayama to me in terms of sanitary say I the area na the press release be about thing e contain if be chloroform na wa onim chloroform ne hunsun san so no be hun say the omo kan na exactly of what chloroform does
because it's in so your kwakwa surgery
exactly yeah they knock
that is yours
yeah exactly so omo mo fa ade no osio na kuma akoma be because of the way nature na no want nti say said the tiwa and okay wa fa na ma no Ghana for your pade I say and she enya ho
no enya
exactly nti problem ne say na ya register and hia number 2 e won susu so man nkofo bebre nti they say on the man nkura no we within say 24 hours so I'm not surprised at all.
What?
Yeah,
24 hours.
It be quite lower than 24 when the concentration was higher. Now last so be my information yeah and also you be pick up.
Okay.
No say the preservative. Think of the preserve. I'm go board product be anko for some of the preserving.
Wow.
And in idea and also able to susa. Now you're quite near here maybe or factories now because yeah it's a banned substance. Chloroform is not allowed in any formulation, especially when it comes to medicines. And you know it has no business in anything that are FDA regulated. That's what I'm saying. Now in national security for a maybe. And apparently no on Monday no Utimo say nya Asante Mankwa na wo.
Afa bia.
Because in your calls from other places, other regions, such as Ewoho. And you know, in fact, I have a meeting on some issues we are here addressing how to approach this canker. Because I see it twice. I see it twice because Ebuha and Pumper Copper. Because my sister says almost I dilute concentration into a amount. You know, over time now, what crab, liver, and no kidney damaged, and it can also cause cancer. And I see it too susa. And information I buy it on the non shit because apparently ABC is what I'm saying sites but yeah. And you know as for mine I say my in the brain. Now when you make no me no there's no way I'm a product way. And I empower your citizens them when who say idea what to ma who want the mentor. And Kayanto they just collapse business inflow. But unfortunately idea fire kuma home only guy before anya kuma CC area anya CC area I am my hips and then selling. Until people easily prey on such most people, sorry to say, ignorance now or more but they've been apprehended. They are helping the security or more national security for Maya or more and you better get rid of some of these things. It's becoming one too many. And you go on Kwame that they remove call us my maybe who great dreaming. And your man go for the share be the mosquito or be the spray. Also, flies by no the spray. Your friend is saying mosquito sprays. I mean, come on, it's indirectly saying that you deep mosquito spray because all the goods are and some of those things, no. Most of the other agencies to say KM proactive, national security, police, and TBA as a task force, and we'll get them out of Asante region. And not just Asante region. They're lazy with all the other regions. And so. Okay. Yeah, inform me entry points and so. Because these things have been with us for a while, and it's just not acceptable.
I didn't know. I say, a bit of be fighting two fools. It does someone in a dahunitra, and I say. Yeah, there's a lot of porosity in our system. I come say Ashanti region pana. E maybe I will be the bibia baha. E druashi will be akuma. We are cooking. Aden Ashanti region aden. Is it because when in the dawa na say money mo dwuma yi?
So you need the other na problem no say sabe yasumye de kakra.
Ma yasumye de.
Nti unso bi ba na oba marketing so na kwa me we duro bi e be hye akoma o say o va meto it's difficult in most of the other places seriously. And number 2 yen call for na so bebe na unfortunately meka but as a sikadi enim say ni panka
no kwasem ndie
nti no ye de crab etey ni an shana haye nyesa no na kwa me ka kire me there's a video bi na hu kofu bi ka kire nipa na o de ban say onum
bi yeah I have that video also onum yeah also no.
I didn't know what to do. Me maybe now you're penning back with your experience. Now, until me, Oba me office now by here, and I may do someone also giant. Me, ma'am, Pamwa, I'm my police for. Sabi, at one point, me and you we can be patient too. If I say my to me my drobia and your papa, thinking say my koji BB and I'm what I'm for or whatever. Now, the main for samba, I could be hospital. Never say this I do na mommy. Can I confidently say mommy na? So there's a story of Papa Bia now a big man could be so many money thing. A man who to me a man named Fana unfortunately or torn to a bit of coma but not they need that. The only thing I know to say don't I depend on a drobayan. I didn't ya. Because only so I approve no be you know ni mebo high and fenya agro e bine ade akoyemu. You know wow, would this answer more than I take it from me? I say, yeah, 10 there, I'll let the matter take its full course. And my boy, Asante Maya for Abaso. Education, I'm a baby now. You might be any and if you omo, a lot of tip ups. Now, one thing I can say, all my information, I knew ma. I'm a boama, Messi will be no ton, dear, or be a shop on a drunk one. No at home, and daytime no at home, I think. Send I put as an expert. So, at this time, I won't cocaine.
Yeah.
Don't be my tip off. And I didn't my police for my I think so courts. But I also or the other than money pack on say when label it differently. The invoice not the man any different from the real product. I not money pack on. I don't know the man on na a drobia obi enya yare bi eye panye wo the man pe aseso nya response imagine says I do we wo the panipa ko na in mind no oh makọ hospital ya man pane menya yare sa meanwhile na a different product sen enye abro ena enye se bi timo odin a den pa na be ma wa ya uniasa nti na amedu say ya dey mra be adwuma na me believe so say etemefo no mo nyimdia ne ma bebro ha o mo ka na be report na sa business na den eto atwa kakra minia e wo no
I think that people are saying say all grounds can na FDA say na mudinya de crowd ha but say improvement kakra ba and is out that so dia ya jan be hihyew
me na say omunya na ma na yesa na so wa oni mi ye no be hu say me obi a sabe me fani me bi ni agro na e som na ye som nti no me hu de nti a say ofra me na Kwame na me hu okwan nko a me ntimi enye den enti na me nye de me ye na biom so ene me bebro ha my office I we boa ma businessmen no eni aye den agi say omo de ma ye de beba un say pepe no say obi de baby bro say ye bibi ma na o frustrate no na system no enja nya friend ya we do be no on so betiada enti meka say ye hon so ye improve your client service relationship ye improve your processes kakra and accessibility me say minim say kuma so bia wa wo chambia no bia me number sabe enka ya me personal number but me no na me gidi say ya so na me som ti no say ohia mo bia ofra e betimi aboa e beboa entimi so na ma bia ya say de ko ntimi da omo kasa no so ase yenya na asanteman fa ne to be pemfa na me hia fa baka mo say menya akwana kwa me na nka one day bi na I'm out of Ghana na e bon so no na kwa bitters bi e out of Africa Ghana nka be eto sen that is what motivates some of us say e be ya ye nu ba bia ye bo udin a asanteman mu aso asanteman mu e pay setters of everything that we do enyan samone nko but e ba ne nro e ba ne nuane a yet to the point is say obia esuafi and that is my vision and that is my hope and me adoma e be nya bom
me ba mo meeting ba kona na America no where there be drove for one of the things omukan people are still asking mo system no the bureaucracy the time a bit key the amount involved to get a product registered and no can one editor amount for ma any people bring person be FDA about like this own product why should it be so
me that say so make before sorry make can say one of the issues your processes now you know first na Kwame no credit woman say what people here ejumani FDA because so far Kwame lazy bra Monday or the bar is you lazy na black as a blue black nti kofa blue black bra o ma is you kofa labeling bra is na me say masa me twem the make say open ba fa bibia bra prekope
okay
na make me mesa catch obi say me show aya omunya is omo free officers na omunya to say me do wan the crowd say officer na friend odbi nya hwema wo decision making is not with them
okay
nti munya say wo ani afre bo na obi aba ozo minim Kwame odim na ye but ma Kwame ntufo behind us about office koto ba mintie number 2 sa business of corner bra na emwa nti ebo ha ba na afe oguso ko basa it's frankly it doesn't make sense to me ti me twem ti me kan say wo ba what the fabra when I wouldn't be about your clients on my okay and I told them say senka Asante Region awards for best institution for every year I want by the end of December na FD will move from that previous phase na as enkofo eti the normal panel to the phase I can say we are the best government institution I am services I am apt and that is what I want to do and the bio baby I say me creative for omo hwe na omo nti biase just come
okay
oba officer ho unini wi akọ enkoye te say oh meboa and I'm him so say me buy na my bibi me give discretion of decision making everything confirm my in the committee level committee na me team bi
that's fine
it is out there ba na kwa makaja say me ya say tie me say me patcho don't waste your money because I go see emfa me team bi the decision in your better you tell me 1 minute me will report then I will write and as I say so every application of banner we will officially correspond to say yes account application so that there's a contract between you know so issue of word of mouth my ba me ne na kwa mkasa and me masa ejai etwem oba institutional obe hu anya nipa into the client service or no mkasa wi na na nti biase I'm always available just let me know and abaso na me officer bia di eniama ho dia travel let me know
wow That's fine.
We are not here to tolerate any acts of indiscipline. And most of them they will tell you.
Yeah, what them go free.
Exactly. I a lot of feedback, and I'm grateful for the feedback because I always need the feedback to improve on your system. Because when you're beating a baby in a business, or making the money, also on comply. We're frustrated. Nobody will mind you seriously.
Yeah.
And I tell you,
so unqualified.
Exactly.
So qualified.
And I improve compliance now. There's a number of traffic at office in the cost. And I've done this other thing. I've met almost every association in Ashanti region. There were pure water for the or bottled water for the or herbal for herbal for Michelle Omunina. And also we'll beat enough from Nkwantabisa because I want to understand people's challenges so that I can solve the meeting. The meeting is not my Siki approval. And so far Ashanti has been phenomenal. And I mean almost my yana yenya opepase ye the idea back room. First of all, time no end frustrate you.
Okay.
Number 2, ubenya say man time say 3 months na sabe or bump now see oh I didn't nyampo a onim say 3 months or be plan but how they about 3 6 1 year na e be won see.
Okay.
And because there were a lot of backlogs and as a challenge kaka for the initial stage but most of the people who had issues not have been cleared. It goes so clear. They say I say about 24-hour service or office. And so most of the testing and or more of the sample and I did some use of by electronic if any GFM.
Okay.
With me at I would be out by online application. You don't have to come to the office.
That's fine.
To cut this business of middlemen, bureaucracies, because me I am what serious. Me business but me makuma to me. So we be now. And first, we will be at maybe 2 hours of client service. I've told them, said no. We want to reduce it to 20 minutes maximum. Okay. So far, I'm 45, but there's a reason challenge kaka on. But I mean, and 20 hours we do half of the year. No, we should be able to make 20 minutes maximum time at client service.
That's fine. Wakofa pure water for Abbey said you're from. Complying no how they complying to more standards and I said your mom more too money because when him saying so ya can say and see this see sunshine say a wiem obeko na so ni see your time ya near the aqua refrigerator na your ton man go for enyo but that na unza
me no ya drink intimi share mo say me kan na kacho mo say eya na pempe no say na Kwame e na manufacturer of you use pure water for purposes of education. And so yeah, where say bibi touch man na Kwame are responsible. And uncle so me dem retailer, me dem wholesaler, me juma na end, but that's not the law.
Yeah.
So I told them point blank say o dey ma retailer and wholesaler na making sure say what criteria be out the man for.
Yeah.
E be say oton abontan me be hu a e be license difference. And I've told everybody that I will write that license now the now the to me now as a own value no e be difference. A difference amount in the market. Number 2, education. So ya come market near nkofuna kwa kasa say what the insuo no exposing to area o say ade no. Because insuo no ma we say insuo so the very good grounds for growth of FAB microorganisms. O preserving the year store ni year you don't have issues. But we expose you agitate them to start growing. Until no afana or see you na complain bebre and I'm going to me can't share more me share more. You say yes na you no nkofo more educated, especially consumers no. Until your far way or far insuo Monday or far when you not a taste answer or more important.
Yeah.
No reports very true. One is no microbes. James Amenfa. Who never says on trust.
And it's on and I'm out for your mom.
Well, a piano not an education. Until all friends when I was on try. Immediately should tell you something. Say either say you know Modiano and SRT grow or microorganism. One I were not normal, but only do a piano more my area.
Okay.
In fact, it is a air trope, not as a mechanism, so I cannot literally not frontiers. Into men,
but then so the say, yes, I now direct how the chef fridge one. On shed them, you know, but ash and
the woman is a fridge when you fridge, my own. What the brown no cuts at the bone. So, but the fact is that my microorganisms are going to the fridge, they only refuse for a while. But do you a bone and Sunday? And the so are there bone, are there true? A science is out of the ass, intimate. Do they keep it now? We are calling Panama Michelle. I don't know how to menfa. One some of me I'll deal with. And now some boy I mean ya but more than na mama ya something because una bia hu yo.
Yeah.
Me hu menom o fa bi benom, unya bi benom, o fa bi benom na sabe ye ha ye busuafo ye ha ye nahofo. Nti no enya ade a say o man ye wonko a you should be concerned about other people. Ule nyame adom wetin me hu ade kono say ade nye. Bo asutwe ne ko hesa ampa say ye eno nko na say it cuts across the batches now, then we know what to do.
At the internet, yeah, more record batches, not the entirety of the product.
Excellent, me that's it. You know, sir, I'm sorry, who come to most of Kaka. Car say, on some more car particular type. You can't say all bands should be recorded. There's a reason. The entire can say, once a manufacturing process, there are systems. When you're not systems, no problem. But I could say, that one day you break it down. You know, you ban out a particular batch. I didn't see a partnership for all the batches. If you're testing out other batches in your car, as I see a business. In particular one, a problem. No. But your market, your investigation was here. Yeah, if you say, I don't know, you know, one of our, and you're one of the systemic failures. You say, who are affected Kwame? Batch why? But you couldn't say no, I don't know Kwame batch why pay. Idea Kwame batch why pena ya test here. You be call I test ya kanina. You who say ya be ma wajai and ya be.
Okay.
Company being a problem with the infusion. Now or identify one particular batch. And you call investigation say I don't know batch issue. That day the other thing now were affected. Until say destroying and destroying now. You money destroying exactly. It depends on the investigation. And the risk.
It is such a company no query.
Oh, yeah, query. Do you know about Maza? I Kwame. I did say why I recall now. Obi ati say products.
And the go and mass change.
You know, baby, now me catch a head back and said they should be careful. Oh yeah, dear. I don't just say no BBC FSC, but a good company one our systems are BBC ultimately manage exactly. And there's nothing wrong if there's a record, but it's about how you go about it. So why inform me now that you tell you even it's an offense.
Okay.
If you must why answer something else now you couldn't tell you
why you have to inform
you have to inform them everywhere. We need to know the entire record here. It's a quality issue. I see an investigation. Is it a issue about say a particular batch pens why? Now say company be make a investigation when say one particular product, maybe are no more or more quiet distraction. But as a the QA no Adrian Kosuye. QA will be our factory as and in charge of because we the problem. No one investigating you and say, I mean, I can come here fire no.
Quality assurance for
I'd have sacked the person because as soon as you see say Kwame, they be Kwame fairly.
Yeah.
Except prompt you as a QA manager say something is wrong. Investigating ye.
Yeah.
Or you any biara. And their boy said the company was losing almost 1 million Ghana cedis on the product by just destroying it. When you profit, they are all tongue. Sabe,
well, most of your clients don't have quality assurance personnel.
About how your small skill, your middle skill, your large skill. There's a reason you're greedy almost.
Okay.
You're greedy because of a sort of what they call now, and the risk involved. Ideally, there could be our quality assurance manager and our quality control managers. But products simple hard to go and Katia issue, but in Katia Boga, for example, I'm using only yes a product no make okay, me need to peanut. Yes, as a product, yes, you need some of this, but in terms of risk, you may get be our technically good science background to do it. But we're able to say like volume bottled water, so you need those people and those people will insist. So yes, ideally, but some of them definitely you can know that and many people you may not need that type of skill. So that is how the work is done.
Okay.
But also work QA background. Hope you remember apply and I won't find out.
All right. At a per minute era, Nathaniel Nkoma, Nana Anedi Nkomono, from Food and Drugs Authority. Ashanti Regional Director, Yanino Edim Komo. In fact, he touched on and some Motai Ebusa when it comes to quality assurance, products, the supply chain, storage, and all that. And Yanino Edim Komo. Mama Mafre, na observation why you jum or products and wabusa. Well, I don't think say make Nina me who akan. But if you when you experience bia memoir friend waka but Menya for course no betim the message in so for 0509 438-500 kanjin for beba me di nkobo but mamne director enwem kakra director ade o de mamusa na ma so record ya omba bo be kra ogruba recent happening ekoso papa. In fact, among for me be chastising. Even so boy abaso. Kofa by Tibreke said, I Sompa Nkombo.
Okay.
My lady, the hard working on you that's what the job. I plantain chips. Any Robert wants to but maybe me chance on the video. I'll say more investigation. But Jancha incident ebra wo atwa so you are an expert, you are professional. Artisan they try to do a little backgrounds and all that. Incident ni enyoma na wa bonten no say na wo si fan rubber anwa ene kwen fa so sa products.
Well, certain issues na Ghana planet utahu se video ho. Asia say come on ba. O ha na ya buy so ya the plastic achi bibi.
Yeah.
So far, ye person ka obi kasi o ye hu se obi ya wa ha nti abre video abramonte monko ha. Unfortunately ye nya bi dey go so across the length and breadth of Ghana. Say ebenya obi ampa so the plastic chip and chips iron clips here. So far ye nya bi. But ye be koso I hwehwemu but so here science na ye be den kakra. But then so nche say nya possible. So ye bia ya pno say wa information bia na bomode na ma ya sonte. So far ye nchele nya dia omoka
kamre dia kwa bontini obi ada no so
sa oni nkofo na neti area mu na neti omo your neighbors hu dia koso bomode ya we nya ntokwa say ye so ye bo obi ahun ban
na wo ye na aba bonti anka abekoso ai ka anye biem
bebe na okay sa onya na say to atwa na abo ye nya bottom line say na say person ye my to exactly intino so moja ya na mase mo nyai but ye guso kese bi na bia a omo ya sadana
but that azumi say there's an element of possibility a bit mabasa. How dangerous can this be?
Very dangerous. That is cement and they preserve beans.
Cement and they preserve beans.
Oh, what way? Oh, okay.
My own video, but now me beans one of those things.
I know well, I know but so far but only
possible because we have seen the video circulating.
We are possible.
Only cement to preserve beans.
Almost spread day past dust no. Until there wow old chairman no share say we sit down now all day in so now there cement apete so. Na ma ho be 10 minutes then I the thing me boy. They say I am passer almost how many ya no go gu yemu a. In so no make say your friend say cement na trim kwa.
God is a scientist so
that and sometimes imagine how I'm confused that creative.
Yeah.
And think of it creative. I don't think I be progressive licensing scheme. FD and Ghana Enterprise Agency for edit media be by. And you are on India. I know someone India no. But be as I'm bonja for ya almost so plantain chips. Or near the plastic here come some correct one. Obuha no India or some na yem oni sika. And the Ghana Enterprise Agency for was support your money microphone. To make come my tea for 50. To what was an India no. Ghana Enterprise Agency for no. Omeboa e free yen charge. Na omaboa do aba FDA no mba ya boa mama license na why dey why we adwuma. Okay. Nti ade ba kwa no so percent ka e for wa was anim die na e bia wo. E bia ne hu sem cosmetics ni mana kitten na hu ska no. Speak to them, they will help you to set up, and then when they come, FDA will give grant.
FDA Bema license. Exactly. And now, then we should tell a tier for say, boja. Exactly. For no, especially once they say Modinya ba, you know. Over team their call. Yeah. FDA for in collaboration
Ghana
with
Enterprise Agency.
Ghana Enterprise Agency. For Bemiam free license. Once you bounce all the correct and quantity.
Fall under category.
Under the category. Exactly. Now the no quantity the FDA you bon one. I know from a different brand. Multi-million bigger contract. And I think it's a good opportunity.
Malls in shop baby now. Look what they ask for FDA registration. Do the
Obi and we should take advantage of this opportunity. Yeah. Because I was dealing with a young guy. Obi be catch him. Now was a interview. I was surprised. Now me busa say I dream we ya na munya no hin. Me call na 99 BC ho. Yeah. Now me say say o January Daisy. Now me say 99. Yeah. Like how? What the only product crowd? So Rihanna say, are you mad or something? That's saying maintaining penny sem da.
And people are using the name of Yenejuma, but Omo with their brains. Some of them are so creative, eh? Sometimes you ask them, no be the shea butter, I lip gloss.
Wow.
One penny about say great package, I tell you.
Or do you try the can lipstick?
Yeah, that lipstick. Come on. In fact, me prefer not than any other one.
Yeah.
Because and phobia maybe now to quite almost so shea butter.
Wow.
Yeah. But yet high and sabi value. And not there some of these nice ones, not the almost pair off, especially almost East African. Yeah, me unfortunately why I sit I can't do it, but I always encourage people say there's a lot to be done. You don't need to have a degree to be in fact, I'm almost causing people should move towards that side and then the system is that different progressive, your colors be at the based on more capacity.
Okay.
Then to bring you up until say be a big company now. Among fact when you answer expo Ashanti region. Through the regional minister. More sign there no.
Yeah.
They should come. And last me call meeting no busy on by but somebody young and children.
FD bet you won't.
I think they have this mindset say almost the banner register here. Now so they should come.
Okay.
I'll prefer so banner ya pick you na ya pick us as in ya chill, but to guide you to do the right thing exactly because we are there to help them and trust me. Wow, why are you doing so by at Papa no? I'll go the extra mile to help to create that.
All right, my member here for so now we will a few minutes. Kanjen for beba betena se na anopai mimusamu monso dia na mpese mubusa Food and Drugs Authority dia na wa wetena si odwoma. Once I deal with there was a Food and Drugs we be cry na said them can on staff no looking at the population any ni padodo mu ya adwuma ho no. In fact, menya sure say when health for bejatum nipa ba ko pe the number of a year was here no e form but they are doing their best e bia no ma bi o madwen ma so bibi won so say oh we dey FDA for we pa dey me come office say no mu ye ni titiru ha oba na wa beka no kasatwitwe o kan nicely the actual director was so here no a na we here no 0548 931931 0548931931 0551931931 Yamra Humane so hello, good morning. Good morning, sir. Pachodini baby free.
Sompa FM.
Gina, yenti wa no pay.
Pacho, bidase. Pacho ma sen bisan say about herbal drugs no. Say on by advert now mo say take capsules with the syrup and I don't mean say because who read the same composition there was one a sour tablet syrup in the same for so by in chemu kakra. Say go back the same syrup now they no tablets because if you buy no chemo you have chemo tablet and no syrup and I have translocate and no translocate syrup into hono so you chemu kakra about the herbal drugs no with us
that be kwanza o question no manya ni ye wadaroma
if I told me say about herbal drugs for my advert
no
if I try
okay
they say when they say all say fad tablets and no syrup
okay especially say for capsules and bobo you know a mixture no
mixture no have what is tablet no you and so what kind of like the same thing that 100 times because you see so I want to mean fat tablets and on parac and I want to mean fat tablets and not syrup because that's what they keep going now you say one misuse drugs no and not to change kakra
medasi hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
What's an answer?
Boko now, sir.
Yes, no,
Odini baby are free.
What shall we do the Martin?
Martin Yentiano pay from Accra.
I'm Pastor Costume and person beside you. Actually, I'm talking a kind of way. So, if you move to what they take and take it back. I'm saying, I didn't know a mama family, you over the like them. What kind of question? No, what's the problem? Now,
Okay. I like that. Hello, good morning.
That's your good one.
Me pacho dini baby are free.
That's your friend, someone, the person for a crowd.
Some from Accra into an open.
The pacho, company begin, but plantain chips robbers no. Senka, let give boss no, adding a with the same wow. Or say, plantain, what you are. How many days, NSA? How many days, NSA? Plantain chips, see one or more, there 1 month, 9 years. Especially, shop, I can see, I wish they should have called
Sompa FM.
Plantain chips, see one or more, there 1 month, 2 months. Not a year, okay, restore, I say, a fresh. But, baby, you all more. And your rubber need that or maybe say, and your rubber need ya. That's what management. One time you share shots at the Siena and whoa, hormone.
Yeah, to sell more near supermarket. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Open you didn't baby are free.
But
opposition who ye kakra mame wada roma oh too bad 0548931931 0554931931. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Open you didn't baby are free.
But so in the Ghana fiscal humble Gazafi Brukun Corazon.
Okay. My Intiano pay.
But so the sir which imagine Kakaya the magazine and somebody Gasson definitely Juju say Juju slow. Marshall alcohol percentage, or 18. Now, some of the TV they will say, or energy drink. Ama, many who are for being told the Amma, then very cool school and crying the boy. If a binum banking can be new now, the TV stations in the Kase oye energy drink nkwadiya ba koto alcohol percentage no oye 18%. Oye say enye energy drink ya oye ma nkwankiti nti nseramu kuma yenhwe sadin yi pa e bia na ba yakọ energy for very koye no na alcohol percentage no eye 0.5 and I say but just oye 18
a product no sin in dey say menua
Jojo, Jojo. Until so, I am for then yet solo up and slap a when you slow, Nana, Kwame, money, Chibu, Papa, my full watch it.
Medasibra, Nami shall be brave. Where the answer a Bakubia, a card and come to Mamma, that obviously a California. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Like furniture to ministry.
Name Mammy Tiano pay.
Kakra me walk Papa or more Juman was and said to do an woman the Kuta young Kwawo, Ghana. Because the part there and time in carry him. I think the future expiring date to 1 there 2 to 3 months to 4 months, you know. And go over young for 4 days, but one says, if you are a democrat, the product will be a 6 months later, that's it. If you get young for 4 days at least, I'm sure a second time, woman, we are my Kabab,
okay.
Gone Kaiser, me will me ba a crack no on to the first care, no, my yes, Because so SND. Now I bought an adubert 12 o'clock and that's for shop to go on Ankurusi. To the code G. On the G, but they are filling station there much in the hospital. Because so SND. The thing no hope for a from me find say they brain on me pledge na me man. The thing next to me they said a general style.
Ow, Kafra.
How? The year before that 2 cars. You control more panical or the amount for front, the man is for. If I come to down, you move to the bed that now apart from the other show, some amount of days. You know, almost the man back. The car I am is there actually.
Sompa FM.
All right. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Like a lawyer.
The critical thinker.
Really, what to say?
Boko critical.
Yo. Then I was saying, Minia, FDA for Oma Jumaso. Maybe our Cassa, a grenade, decoy, you may declare exposed to sun. We are. You cook one, and you must we are so be Omunda promo, Omu, Minia, Omo Tashi. Now, yeah, top and normal. But quite town. You see, Ade Akye so the same thing any quite say I see Benku, you did say rubber no money. Oko marketa, Oma Motogan, and one or more day.
Yeah.
One advice here, and yet. Omuntu wana mobia na mobe no mutu omakodum no matiti omo a omo yes anyoma na because nesa ni kana ni ka keke ya de mrashe mo kafe obitima de address down from no my guy you sano ni ebu benku a your body sa keke
oh
so ati ase ele de ebu de tikiri roba o me ati ase enye so busu a omo ye a omo no omo hwe ntia mo be no mutu afa ka anyoma no dajiro ya
medasi opare medasi. All right. In fact, Jesus, I need dear Habem. Say who I say, chum Satan fried rice by Otoa, ye the white chicken, ye the black near the graphic. I obey Adrian and there's a brancasa. Director, some questions. Nah,
Meda what TV no have for no so as. Until my started with the use of plastics for food. I am commerce here didn't na ye dino brother. I mean issues with the use of plastics. Certain countries who are yabane, even the goods are hot at the can crumble house or many baby at the goom. And you know, as a country, the idea is saying a holistic. Those who have pros and cons, you discuss it. Now you take a decision. So it's kind of yes, I know you didn't maybe a bank come and a later I bear for buy. And you say so, look at near the crew. So as we progress in society, certain things should shape our direction. The idea for me, I think it's a good call. We should have a second look at the use of some of these things for food products.
Well, that they didn't say even plastics no crap. Or a triangle, you'll be a number.
Exactly.
Number be actually to me.
Yeah.
And to me, I'm a pepper was I cry. Sure, one was even 5 from cry and a yama and yanibi and your numbers be brought why in fact at yes she. Especially in Kwada feeding what you
yeah.
It was 5 years.
Exactly.
But it's going on.
Yeah, and you know, like I said, you know, as a like as chrono, what's a crop higher banning maybe as a policy. Microbia up, until for plastic, whatsoever it is in use. But Chroma, no, what is our and so for me, I think it's a good call. We should have a lot of engagement. Whether there's a need to ban it outright, and I say because whether a low density or high density or whatever is allowed, near think is our stance. Yeah, making progress. And I'm for the school of thought to say, let's have a discussion on some of these things. Number 2, the autumn tablet syrup, please, it's not done. It's never ever. I mean, can you tree? No, come on, it's not done. You know, Mr. Mo, obisa my masonte. Na the because in fact said right. Nobody does that. Say one my para tablet, one my syrup, say for boom. Then now who directly. I say I call hospital here say yamao luckily maybe my example put that time can get syrup tablets but assuming say on tablet and syrup yes if mujabus BP do for tablet and syrup exactly we are overdosing
syrup to say for different
any of them depending exactly but that's how over two na bom there that be it's never done by any health practitioner and you know Michelle obi a was high evidence so obi yes had no mama sonte mama yes yes it's basically sales or tongue can one sika yes I don't know say for tipa ye tablet for meet my tablet not a capsule then pen make use jama me en fa mo bom say me to two but o mo say mama nto besem uhuso a manenso wa say me nto mama sonte na ye take it teaching ye mo a omo nim sa de we bi no because I dey am say koso number 2 year papa na offer about expiry no expiry na mecheche mu mienu nti no sa ko tade na expiry ne fan say ye wo march me ba na ebewu fan say june a enye hwe challenge say una onim dodo a wohia in paper na ye tese ntana ka ya font ye so ye to a ye calculate ni ato no bum say da ya hunti bia enu june unyizu wie una boboka nti wo to na kaka na within shelf la fan best before na many problem nti ba na mienu dia esie no ni was encourage compensation
also the compensation
one obetimi age two ni was encourage na ujane saa esenka o inform yen oba ha na nya no pe o ene na de bi ameka say ye ma enya ye nyina ye asudie oba ha na nya de uhu ye no oba ha na kofu be ni ho omuni akenkan omakoto de na me ha me kese ni no de man kwala kofu ye sam ene ye say no for me in fact ade bia ye mo ne ma me but ba me say nkwala ha de no ka de me fa personal nti bi say na me bo brand ni but whatever product it is so ko to na expire enko so kofu ne so nka say over ma me foforo
mo winyim free ho
dabi exactly my asonte we na FD ka desa na untimi mfa me o former police for ben o mama ya swat ni ya yi free market so oh ne ya nya collective responsibility na ya nyina no o de utia ya ultimate kan obi be ba untimi kan mama no na akwara bia wo nya da che oba ye president oba ye lawyer oba ye host say na Kwame na akodi dem it's a little negligence bia e wo ye nyina ye part nti te me sre omo a enkonko ka se omo ma foforo o ma foforo na wani age da bi ukoje a fine but still mama sonte because as say you free bedroom na protect omo maka na omo ntimi nkenkan no the tosu bi am ye ne ma na edigu ewia so no so I'm na ego so church nkofo na mbom yenso medical bia meka o empower citizens na you have empowered the whole nation no nti ko na de we yasa o kase wonto a o cha be ko na we yefio nti ye be ye de ye be ko na meka na yenya na nka ye oba bia bantama ye nam ho de bia me staff bebre a mpati nya nti yes robwa ye nka se ye no nti yenya ye djuma ye be ye shared responsibility ye ne omo na be ye na yenya abo obi a ho ban dia etosu miom ni energy drink na kan nti me masani message ka mama me say ya register excellent me da say me information be me say me confirm me but put that no kan you know I'll get back don't come me take it from me okay. I'll get back to you personally on this issue okay. And the information I'm having is I don't seem to have me who say product no me who but the me when I to say a drink na alcoholic but I'm getting certain information. I'm trying to confirm it from my clients and before I put it on air. But the information I'm getting appears that it's not something that we are aware of in terms of the product. But I want to be double sure. Now, market it back. Now, Mr. Etiefon. So at the end, you're 18%. There is no way on earth an 18% drink can be an energy drink. It's straight an alcoholic drink. And it's all the man back to school. But no one then I teach a cabaret. Nti me sha wo fon so kakra so momo mani nya den enko ne mabi wo ho oba fi school ba na o hwe ne action ne reaction ase waye hejeja waye mre me sha o impa question kakra minim se enne na mafo na ba no ebi di nyamba bi fra nkofo drink ma nkola ne ko school a na omo no mo na omo na hofo drinks a fana ne ma frefrem ebi ye wi nti oba ba na waye high ase waye botan ase waye hejeja me sha ma wani nko akwana question mama kakra oba na ne mate ni bi na de ne bi afrafa na bi a onom eno na emwa o madama esromo a intimate jojo nechi I'm interested in this case because of what is at stake and I think it's basically plantain chips yes obi say stay long Kwame, opa wa ye plantain chips ofie. Yes, how do you see why in chat? Oh, pimping the plantain chips are me and all you see who cover ni now store ni ya and say. Rubber no me cramba say say plastic issue ya. But you see plastics your level of risk. And pimping ya can say ade in so na or the good plastic ma. There's a high if it be leaching extractables. There's a high likelihood say in so a be leachy. And so rubber no ebe mechanic saying. The man rubber them no ya na unimadoko a containing components de bro. Enti say in so na the risk ne say a bit me move more science for no one area to the other area na abehye either say in so back or share the animal here no so. But ya na solid ya na the risk is a bit low but still not that notwithstanding na idea as a man is here. What is our position on some of these things? Because in you draw the young make plane the tire but the a bit food safety, food security a bit more different than here. But I think the principle should be the same. In the idea is discussion I remember. Into more for and against. I think we can have a holistic debate on this issue here. The answer I think almost major so I prompt me but I think I'm done on this one.
All right, that ma yana say na somebody try to because other important year also attend.
Me that's not Kwame. Me that's we take for no here for also amanya mrama na maka say there is nothing important than human health and that is why I take it personal. It's not me wahano. And anytime be an sure uhia me let me know. And na obi so a o tie me a o pese oni FDA di adwuma no me sure FDA na unim dada no asesa nti bra na oba so dem sikan no o ye nipa peni na o ye agent kakra na wapomudin ni ahode a mama instructions say oba client service no kra ye ma won fro e ma me ho if you need me I'll come down and attend to you. Number 2 your baby wo ha omotena nti he na o ye old agent kakra o say your business here ye na penifo no do so o do reception wa de tena ho o tena ho a na obi abehwe na yaboa na etimi idea say maka say FDA is a friend of everybody. You are not here to intimidate anybody. Wow, you know there. Trust me, FDA will help you to do the right thing. Wow, you know so I wouldn't someone nothing no there. Asante mai ebe fun you know. Jai.
All right. I say Natalia na Kroma na Opeltin Director for Food and Drugs Authority in Ashanti region. Anopel oni abedin komo bebre so da yanso ya hwe yie e hodum as FDA for so ererem ayomo part. Da abua omen na ya build the nation together. Director, thank you so much. Sam kanjen for so atena say anope ne kanjen for ebedin komo na me aminuaba Amina jija dem anope. Yes, Amina no. They oko wedi ana. Amina no. Amina Salia e kanjen. Neiza enso so e wa ha. Umunyina kasama forma kanji anope mi ana me mache he Neiza de o de o te ola bubu besi e chiro. E da anope wa chi.
Na me adom mi announce.
Now for to say.
Na me adom mi announce.
Da me adom mi ho ya pa. Sure. Amin. Azia ka e be 2 days near it. Ya de vim ni kom. Ye breaki be bia. Vim ko community no way there. That's say so no mo obo say still na fasting and 1 year dey bobo there. Gidi. Thank you. I don't pay there na wo mai.
Well, and I don't pay you didn't come on in the next 10 minutes near the Ghana for Abon Komafa, Kanjan and Ajik drinking water. Learn the producers of this very wholesome swa and what a drama and sunti. The GD is a wound to our one yes and no crack. Obiani watching but the say none of the recommend your masters will be share. While also be sure. Nyan san the cabin one casa time so that's number be now to now one and said they be a casa doctor to Welbeck a can and I say they find research on or say Nipediano and I said baby I calling WhatsApp will be an idea say I really think at now and can cancer area until I do 1 time so that's number but it's a woman make say in so many be I say on health wise abuame but then and drew any bibia and so many na ye kwan pa procedure le fa so e producing so e refine and a boy nipediano so be gia numbers no now when you number and come and let me place this on record say men can say oh twa me aka say bi there be once our conversations na course where bomu and come on no kwan so be frɛ na woni yanam so abo enkomo sa abre ya frɛ na ni yanam mo enkomo na de opese hu bia am otie frɛ hanum sia no wasa tie bi from the office na washa asia place orders na be frɛ on 0241 44 91 0241 44 91 and after 050 73 79 474 050 73 79 474 numbers near active our WhatsApp in Tibia now here in our manone we pay the amount which mean direct call for on WhatsApp caller a bebe through na money and so on come ye cha kwan wo Brahma UGC and asa abawa route into do hon now because all pay baby a produce kangen and adding drinking water we be abet show yani the so distributor na for major distributors inti and found the baby awo and man na emu into kwan ka say oh no Takra de no Accra but bia nation where they free delivery services wa bra enjoy into say only commerce mpa adman headquarters ewa and found the baby awo o dia na so be frɛ numbers na me dia to dia na active for screens on eso no the bet show baby a major distributors no e bi ewo na wakwa akotobi na won so one na aboa nipedia na bibia akɔ fine numbers na active for screens no so ntia bon komo na o dia na so de o be frɛ na won so wa place orders and answer money and so bon komo ene main theme for discussion yaba share yes antioxidant properties kangen and added drinking water ma eboa na fight the friend say oxidative stress into here picture na we screen so na common about the dino technical kakra purely scientific but then yebema en common abafom send ye be bia betimi relate into say office say wojomu whichever class be I belong to you per se you find common break down send a beya obian so there the ebeti ase na yes say yes antioxidant properties what kangen water more purely alkaline yen you produce na bibi kan ye be define ye ka antioxidant am e be ade akra na che you to share o screen so one who say circle bi wo hono ma ya tra cell nti basically way I say the nipedia very good me pese do mo sia no basically say na nipedia no o cells na wo mo representing na ye ka antioxidant kra natural na artificial substances are nipedia ni hia na cells ni hia so more or less no basically also nipedia mo efa and times without number odidibia adese antioxidant no ebu aduane a wodemu that is the solid food sounds one then say wodidi na say nuane na wodi no contain antioxidant bebra o say na then unso a wonom no o say no so contain the defend say antioxidant it just say kangen and added drinking water a contain refined antioxidant content ebo nipedia mo na o hwe first picture na yes circle na pink na your friend say free radicals and I heard the other side na your friend say antioxidant na top one na baby arrow no every Sunday aba the pink free radicals no e dey ade na yes free radicals no the bubbles baby arrow no every Sunday bana a lose an electron the very moment ourselves no be better say a lose an electron I say the damages and I say how a brain nipedia no and a coin problem so na cells na first eboan cells our function dey do nipedia no a keep energy na fa say release energy diama nipedia no so mitochondria mu na our roles are one me play it is so betimi amantem so betimi akasa any daily activities be out in say release of a restored energy and release am bani pedianuma enya ade say o cells no betimi ayadwuma so the very moment free radicals no measure say it loses some of its electrons and it becomes imbalance pacho say maybe I should say it's for follow convene ani am have no nti e basa antioxidant content ni hia de manipedia no I was say e be a free the antioxidant part na eba replace the free radicals na amana ye balance nti na meka say right from the earlier submission meka say kangen and added drinking water ekura an antioxidant content one ma ɛboa ɛyɛ nipadua no nti wei ɛyɛ deɛ naturally reactions a ɛkɔ nipadua no ma wei ɛyɛ the normal nature but then we are no free home ma there are other several activities nipadua na nkasa na se nipa nkasa enso ɛya ɛnam soma free radicals no ɛkɔ so wɔ nipadua no ma ɛma molecular content no ɛwɔ nipadua no yɛ unstable yɛdi kan yɛ friend say smoking we smoke and also the free home ma if you hold your system nim enuane ahodo a yɛdi a contain acidious content a ɛmmoa nipadua no ne nyinaa timi yɛ de bɛn ɛboa nti ɛno no nti ɔnom kanjen and adding drinking water ɛboa na afei a balance equation no pepepe sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ proportionally biribi abɛyɛ fine ɛwɔ nipadua no mu na yɛse balance sa proportionally na simple free radicals in the very moment ɛbɛhyɛ asɛ sɛ ɛba antioxidant no anti electrons alpha man no ɛhyɛ asɛ sɛ damage cells no ɛhyɛ asɛ sɛ damage cells no at the long run among the different oxidative stress in no na abon so wɔ hɔ no ma unya response bi asɛ woni padua no on hyɛ den feeling stress ɛhyɛ asɛ sɛ ɛba ɛyɛ woni padua no so ɛde bɛn emu woni padua no basically becomes imbalance as compared to normally said you see the see at here one anti kakra bia na wabrɛ you get it so we ene na no pay no mo ebi enkomo nti so onum kangen energy drinking water dey say eboa na a balance free radicals no na sai how no ebetu asɛ dey free honum nti ye ba behwɛ semelom kangen energy drinking water ekwan pa me fa so amehu se nsuo no wo dey fe na say antioxidant content wo nsuo no mu nti ekwan na be fa so abɛ de ebehu ye dey fe na say and I said the term I can say negative oxidation potential ORP. In the next video no will show then we take it down from there. And so you see the ORP meter and the first one you dey the bank. The ORP meter and your first one you dey measure the bank so the more numbers ni every positively a caution na mo who say in so na consume wo onipadua ni mu no I say a pure acid but then the be on the negative side no and what I say and na the pure alkaline content and onipadua no so the bank in me patcho we the footage now me no so free radicals and about the next picture now and that's the next video now about very good it's where the ORP machine it's or check the alkaline content and I say an antioxidant content in suno it's same every say in suno one the contain and I say in contain it's in kangen and adding drinking water a pure alkaline it's a number some ebudi up at the caution say no say insuo a pure acid and ya dey say be boa ni padua no nti ORP meter no and or the normal or the normal insuo a pure very good nti bon say or switch at the other one na alkaline na bon say sha say we be negative nti numbers ni sha say suppress here the ben about from but the other one no a pure acid I am in here and fa emani padua no nti the person ehia nyina me sha say from free radicals nyina na say so no means we contain the fine alkaline content antioxidant we na boa ni padua na ade say eboa ama ni padua ni nya apomode mpa no sitimi epe na kwan be na be fa so abehu say nso amenem no alkaline na say acid the ORP machine through system and say medium e say negative oxidation potential it's another no I feel the last video no eso na me na so mfa kakanya de ben enka ho o hwe last video na me sure say me patcho me fa last video no de ba ya na me ka sa fe mon switch no na fe mon come very good nti kangen machine na esi ho no nti oba be ye a demonstration of sedian so no na ho ade esitie nti ba ko ye normal tap water nti say or the tea bag na atuma anya dey say it may absorb but or the pure alkaline content contain antioxidant na say absorb nti assume say alkaline water kangen na drinking water ko ni padua ni ma toxifications be when you ni mu bia no I dey say be you the other ben e be from nti me na e kakra so but then fry on 0241 44 91 050 73 79 474 right
so antioxidants are fasodie ben na e dey brain padua no so what are cells na am I healthy cells am I cells na healthy nti cells no so no me definition I say me de ba akankasa mu a eno na eboa akoye enkwamwa bi sa no etima butu na akoye enkwamwa bi e woni padua mu a eno se ni padua no be ni padua cells no ka no bi di mu akotene pa ena ya organs ni nyina e contain sa de ni nyina untimi enka eyi from cells no eye broad so say unkwamwa na say cells no be healthy a e wo say ensu a obenom no eye sa antioxidants no ena ebiem yesi e reduce say disease so many disease and I said the risk of so many disease in reduce and no kaposi ora oto obega sama oka and say no disease including cancer can exist in alkaline environment. Yes, cancer cells no e feel comfortable in acidic area and I say environment. And he said we be nsuo na say be reduce SARS or rates na that say eboa bit say alkaline candle energy drinking water I contain properties no bua mu ahoro miensa ba ko na ye e ka ho asen e na ebiem obi honoma a ne fruit die e wo form ye wo fruit ni vegetables bebra e contain sa oxidants antioxidants ba obi honoma on pet sa ne ma no ensuo so de obi no ho no ya allergic to ensuo e ye dan ya wo belu mu nsuo wanu mu nsuo adi nsuo be ye aduane enti wo belu nsuo so na e kan gen energy drinking water ensuo de untin ka se bia hempensuo into the means we contain any energy drinking water and let's say immune system ema enkwamo na woni peduanu enya ahoden didi ni dwuma e fight against yare say yare beba ni peduanu ma na say ni peduanu benya ahoden de ni dani de dwuma e na say wo hwe biema obi wo hon ma hu na ni peduanu enfie a wodi no ene ni peduanu ana say ni rede na ni no wo de tutu ni mfie na emfa a say wo hwe ni pa na no onya abrantie ono onya abaya I said when you ni ready and you chair in Fiona when you know. And two shall say, oh, no, can't get another drinking water. When you're some for today, you will boss in into number 0241 44 91. Oh, I'll put machine so near Bia. Oh, Frank Angana. Oh, I'll pay machine. And I did ready. It will say so.
I'm to do the more so but this can't and bozo yam and for which you must. But I must say there's a from Kanjin. I'll pay so I have a Kanjin and this person I ready. Any Marcos is because that's because the Kanjin and Banana this is near Bobo. I'd rather so be a enum. But for birthdays in Mamma and I mean call they are around town no every set that I was here 1-on-1 FDA namu demand pa so mubeba FDA for number mame fan to just o promo na wa from no makasa FDA for no o promo o from a no bekasa nti FDA for number ni 050 718 7422 050 718 7422 video bi na episode mo WhatsApp 053 019 276. All right, your birthdays no. Ana tempa, your birthdays no. Na yanko anopay birthdays no. Na Kevin ni jina okay. Happy birthday to Mame Benewa. Happy birthday, Mame Benewa. Today is a special day. We wish you nothing but the very best. Today comes with blessings from God. So happy birthday, Mame Benewa. Get Fun, regional communication team member of the NDC. Mame Benewa Yamo official pa, Emo Awodapa. Yes, nyame say Oma unfie no enko animu. Ahofe, enjoy your day. So answer the happy birthday, Enkoma Christopherina Ade, Principal Nursing Officer, Ewo Asaman SDA Hospital. Happy birthday to you, Christopherina Ade. Udiyedo, hey, nyasem kitwa ahofema. Happy birthday. Yese nyame enhira, mo follow ade na mi bro. Yese nyame enhira ne dom emawo. Se nyame famfra dom nko adom. Obapa we free obi catch me amia catch a Sompa FM Sompa TV. Happy birthday, Nkoma Ellen White. Ellen, today is a precious and a special day. We wish you nothing but the very best. May this season come with the beautiful colors and flowers. Rainbow falling your way, a sign of more blessings. Happy birthday, above King Sanu Ejuma. Yes, happy birthday, Ellen. Sansana, happy birthday, Nkoma Florence. Yes, black is beauty. Florence, enjoy this wonderful moment knowing that God got you. And I would dare you sing, I say, Wakuma Swadi Embrem. Happy birthday, Mommy Florence. Enjoy this amazing day. Sansana, happy birthday, Uncle Emma Lucy from Bebiani. Oya decorator. Way every Mom Lizzie say. And now say Yankupon. So Maunyan Sha. Nyame Emma Wakuma Swadi Embrem. Nyame Emma Quatintain. Nyame Emma Enya Kese Kwapim so be kese. Nyame Mau Nsanu Adwuma fe. Lucy, enjoy this special day from Sompa FM, Sompa TV. And today is your birthday to Mrs. Ruth Osafo Asari. Hey, mommy, we a guy. Mrs. We a guy. What? Ni post in grandma do. Ba me ade your birthday yesterday nyame say. Onto nkwanem dodo ada fro akosua Druwa, people's mother. Way Efra Busia Santini Nina, the late pastor Dr. J.K. Obeng, founder of Bible Research and Gospel Propagation Church, and the entire church members. Ya Ghana and Yamon Nina, ma, say, Omo Oda suya mami sronko, Oya mamia, no futabraba, Oda manfonina. Nanka Yamian for America bede, as of many na say, happy birthday, as of mommy. Happy birthday, Rosalind. Rosalind, today is your birthday. Oba Rosalind, happy birthday to you. Enjoy this blissful moment, this wonderful time. May you enjoy the fruit of your labor, beautiful Rosalind. Happy birthday to you. Above case and regiment. Afe. Oh, Kwame Apia the anyway. I don't cry in a what's up? Over you. Happy birthday to Kwame Apia. Kora Kwame Apia. Oh, yeah, DVLA boss. I will bechem. Bisa Kwame. Bechem for my adio. Kwame Apia pa wana waba. O ye nipa se. Oh no, o share kuna for. And yankana battle ya kuna for birthday as will be anniversary. Happy birthday to Ora Kwame Apia. Say nyame so on fra dum nkwa adum. Nyame ma ni hira ne mu nka mo so. Nyame ma na adom no nya bebre wo so. Ora Kwame. Nyame ma de waka fa ahomram. Nyame ema wonya kese kopim so be kese pa. Ora Kwame, we are proud of you. Happy birthday. From myself and Kwame Ajako, we say happy birthday to you. Nyame sure no nya kese pa. From Sompa TV and Sompa FM. Team Nina, you say happy birthday, sir. Now, when you say that, I'm dear free man, some of dear beba. Now, I'm sure we are not in any channel. Now, a friend and Kwame Nkwantabisa, I'm from Nkwantabisa. It's a blissful morning. Enjoy your day.